Hello everyone. Today we will see how to make a delicious apple cake. To make this apple cake, take 2 eggs in a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla to it. Beat the eggs for about 3 to 4 minutes till it becomes light and fluffy like this. At this stage, add some sugar. Continue to beat. I've given all the ingredients list in the description box, you can check it out. Then add some oil and milk. Beat till it's well combined. Then preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. In another small bowl, take some all-purpose flour or maida. To this, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and a tiny pinch of salt. Mix this all well together. I'm using 5 apples for this recipe. Peel your apples and chop it into smaller pieces. Take all these apple pieces in a bowl and add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to it. Mix it well together. Now place a sieve over the wet ingredients. Add the dry ingredients into the sieve and sieve it into the bowl. Mix the wet and the dry ingredients. Be gentle, don't over mix the batter. Add the apple and combine everything together. I'm using an 8 inches square cake tin to bake this cake. Transfer the batter into the cake tin and spread it evenly. Make sure the apple pieces are spread evenly. Now bake this in the preheated oven for about 50 to 55 minutes. Each oven is different. My oven took 55 minutes to bake this cake. Once the cake is baked, remove it from the oven. Put a toothpick in the center of the cake. If it comes out clean, then it is done. Otherwise, bake for a little longer. So this is it, a very tasty and delicious apple cake is done. If you want, you can sprinkle some more cinnamon powder on top of this cake. This cake was a big hit in my family. Full of apples, it tastes truly delicious. Do try it out. Until next time, bye bye.